Hello friends, Stitches here, and today I want to show you. I will learn you to draw. I want to show you how to draw some lilies, because you never know when you need to give something special to that special someone, and you don't have any money to spend. The best gift you can give is some arts and crafts that you make by yourself. They have a blue pencil, and of course they have a black pencil to lock everything down. This is what the drawing looks like. And we'll get started. The first thing we're gonna do is just take a normal piece of paper, and I'm gonna draw a line from about here to here. And it's just a curved line like this. Very, very lightly. This is a center line for one of our flowers. The next one is gonna be shorter, and it's gonna go like this. And this one's going to be a little bit longer, and it's going to go the other way. This is the center line. At the top of each of these lines, I'm going to draw a little center. I think these are called the stigma. Yeah. This is the stigma. Okay, next I'm going to draw the little front parts of each of these petals. There we go. Next, I'm going to draw the other part of the petal. It comes around and it comes all the way up. Like here. There we go, something like that. This one here goes something like this. Starts about right here. And down here by the stem. Comes up. This little S curve. And then a little whoop. There we go. And this one here starts right there, goes up, out, and over. Okay, next step is to draw the other side. So I'll start right here on the center line, and I'll go up and around to this point, like this. It's a big D shape. This one here, let's see, I think it starts about right here. So this line comes over here. This line starts here, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna come up and over. This one right here starts right, start this one on the center of the stem. Come up, and we'll make a big D as well. See that? Awesome. Next step, let's draw right here. Kind of comes up, and it makes like kind of a U shape. This. And over here, there's like the center, yeah, this leaf or this petal comes down into this part. See, the right edge of the petal tapers to the stem at the center line. Here's the top of the stem, and we'll finish the right side of the petal, and it flares out up here. The stem is like a long funnel that's wide at the top. And here's a tiny leaf peeking out. Oh, that looks nice. Let's draw the front side of this petal. And it looks like this. See, right here, from the center line, the center comes up. And then it kind of comes down and back up again. That's the underside of the petal that curves up like the side of a spoon. There we go. Awesome. Now this comes on the, not the center, but just to the left center. And it crosses both of those, kind of comes out, and then it starts to taper down to the center line. The left side of the stem starts here, then tapers toward the bottom. And this, I need to darken these signs up a little bit. Here we go. Let's finish this guy. There's a leaf behind this petal, and it goes like an S, curve, S, and then when it gets really close to this one, it comes up and down and barely crosses the center line. And then right here where it bends, let's bring it almost straight to the stem, and then let's bring it to follow that center line. It's kind of like this back leaf wraps around the front of that stem, and it creates the stem itself. And on the other side, it kind of goes out and it tucks its way back behind the flower. There we go. So now we have 3 beautiful lilies, and let's lock it in with a black pencil. Now if you need to stop or pause or something like that, just do so. I'm going to darken this side right here. So that's how you draw a calla lily. And if you ever need to do something special for someone special, be sure to pick up your pencil and sketch out something really special for them. See you next time, and be sure to subscribe to Sketchy's channel. See you later.